ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. I'd like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So here's Tarzan eating our chive plant on the back porch. Oh, it was so tasty. He says he loved it. And then we have Sweet Pea here in the window chattering at the birds in their nesting box. Finally, we have Tarzan in his little bag of paper. And no, folks, we don't have a ghost. Not at all, not in our house. What we do have is we have a cat in the cabinet. And it's fun when you hear that in the middle of the night. So we hope you enjoyed all of this. Thanks for watching.